For this problem, what I suggest is that you first get a calculator answer, then you go back and worry about sig figs. Alright, so we want to convert to the less negative power of 10. So to do that, we multiply this side of the number by 10, and we divide this part of the number by 10. So 2.35 times 10 to the minus 8 is equivalent to 0.235 times 10 to the minus 7. And if we look at the decimal places, we see we can go all the way out to the thousandths place, which means that there's 4 sig figs in this result. On this side, we see that the result also has 4 sig figs because we can go out to the thousandths place, and therefore there's 4 sig figs. Now, for multiplying one number with 4 sig figs by another number with 4 sig figs, we can justify 4 sig figs in our answer. And coincidentally, the calculator answer in this problem is also the correct answer.